In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and create a private server on Roblox's Blox Fruits. This is a pretty fun game, and it's even more fun to play on a private server, so I fully understand why y'all want to do this. What you want to do is once you get to the game page, just like so, is actually scroll down just a little bit until you see the servers tab over here. Go ahead and open it up, and then you're going to see the option to create a private server. Simply go ahead and click on that option just like so, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now this is going to cost 200 Roblox. So just keep that in mind. But essentially, there'll be a confirmation button right here next to the title button where you'll be able to put your own server title in. Essentially, go ahead and fill that out, and then it should look something like this. Now, I did jump over to a different game that I do have a server on just to demonstrate what it'll look like. So essentially, if you hit these little three dots right here and hit configure, you'll now be able to tick on this box that says allow joining. You need to make sure this is always turned on so that you can actually join your server. And then under here, you'll see a friends allowed section. You can turn this on as well so that friends can join you, as well as specific members. You can go ahead and hit add and then find someone on here and make it so they can join only. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.